welcome to Trading Tips, the channel where you'll learn how to use envelope and ATR indicators to boost your trading performance. Envelope and ATR indicators are two powerful tools that can help you to analyze the market, spot trading opportunities, and manage your risk. In this video, I will show you how to set up, use, and combine these indicators in your technical analysis. You will also see a real example of how I apply these indicators in my own trading strategies. Whether you are a beginner or an expert trader, you will find valuable tips and tricks that will help you improve your trading skills and profits. If you are interested in learning more about envelope and ATR indicator, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thank you for watching, and let's get started. An envelope indicator is a technical analysis tool that consists of two bands that surround the price action of financial instruments. The bands are usually based on a moving average and a fixed percentage above and below it. Envelope indicator can help traders identify trends, overbought and oversold conditions, and potential reversal point. An envelope indicator is a type of banded indicator that shows the normal range of price movement for financial instruments. The bands are usually calculated as a percentage above and below a moving average, which represent the trend direction and strengths. The bands can help you identify when the price is too high or too low compared to the average, and when it's likely to reverse or continue the trend. You can use the envelope indicator to find trending opportunities and signals, such as buying when the price touches the lower band and selling when it touches the upper band. However, you should also use other forms of technical analysis such as chart patterns, volume, and indicators to confirm the signal and avoid false ones. Now let's see it on the chart. ATR stands for Average True Range, and it is a technical analysis indicator that measures the volatility of the market. It's calculated as a moving average of the true range values, which are the highest, lowest, and absolute value of high and low of a security. ATR can help you gauge how much the price of a security moves on average and adjust your position size and stop loss level accordingly. The ATR indicator can help you determine the optimal position size for your trades based on a volatility of the market. A common method is use a fraction of the ATR value as your risk per trend, and then divided it by the distance between your entry and stop loss level. This way, you can adjust your position size according to the market condition and your risk tolerance. The ATR indicator can also help you set a dynamic trailing stop losses that move with the price action and lock in your profits. A common method is to use a multiple of ATR value as your trading stop distance and update it as the price moves in your favor. This way, you can protect your profits from sudden reversal and let your winners run. The ATR indicator can also help you identify breakout and trend changes in the market by comparing the certain ATR value with the historical ATR values. A high ATR value indicates a strong price movement, which could signal a breakout or a trend continuation. A low ATR value indicates a weak price movement, which could signal a consolidation or a trend reversal. Let's see how it goes on the chart. Well, let's add these two indicators. I'm gonna add two indicators both in one chart, and because ATR itself cannot give you an entry signal for your trade, so I'm going to add two indicators and see how it goes. Well, to add these two indicators, just click on this indicator here and write envelope. You'll see envelope in here, and let's add ATR, average truth length, and one of my favorite indicators that I'm going to use it too much. Well, let's see. As you see, we have envelope indicator here, and I'm going to change this one to no, not that one, 1%, maybe 2% to personalize it for gold, and see the ATR here. Well, as you see, we have two bands about the envelope, and this is the moving average of 20 lengths, and the source is our close. You can change these are for yourself, and you can change these things for yourself if you want, upper band, lower band, bases, and anything you want to change. For the ATR, as you see, we have a style for ATR. You can raise the line and input it's a 40 lengths for ATR, and you can change the smothering for ATR, but I'm going to leave it here, and you can change the time frame of the chart. I'm not going to touch that. Well, let's see if we can find any good entry point with this two indicator. I'm not using too much of envelope indicator, so let's see if we can find any good entry point here. As you know, well, our strategy is going to be if the price touches the lower band and close it under upper than the lower band, we can enter for a buy trade, and if it touches the higher band, we can enter for selling entry, and we limit our trading on the market hours. Let's see. Well, we are in a London session. As you see, there is no touching here, and we reach for a American session, New York session. As you see, it touches the upper band 2 times, and we can enter here. Well, I usually use ATR as my stop loss or trading stop loss. I'm mostly use it two time multiplier of ATR for my stop loss. So if you see, here is around 1.2, so it is gonna go, it goes with 2.4 for my stop loss, and 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio is good for me. Well, that is the one. As you see here, we have touched the envelope here, and as you see, it touches the stop loss multiple times, and it is not good for trading. Well, let's see tomorrow in the London session. As you see, it touches the envelope here. Well, the ATR shows 1.3 or 4. It goes with 2.4 and it hit the stop loss, but if not hit the stop loss, it gives you a good risk to reward ratio. Here we touch again upper band, and we can enter here 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and it hit our profit. Well, as you see here, it goes upper very narrow of the envelope, and it is not good until it breaks up the envelope. Well, we can enter our trade around here 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio and hit our TP. Well, let's see, it's not touching here, and it's not our time for trade. Here we can enter for our trade. Well, we cannot enter any trade. It hit our stop loss here. Well, wait for good confirmation to enter for our trade here. We can enter here. Well, it has very too high ATR and it hit our stop loss. Well, we can enter here. It hit the envelope changed its direction. Well, we can enter here put our stop loss on 3.2. What happens? My net is gone. Yeah, it came back. Well, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Well, it hit our TP. Here we can enter for the sell position, short position. Well, it is around here. It hit our stop loss, but it's a sudden movement, so we cannot do anything. Let's go a little further back and see how it goes in the previous week. As you see, we can enter here. It hit our stop loss. Not good. Well, can enter for a long trade here. It hit our stop loss. You can enter for a long trade here. It gives you a maybe it gives you a profit. Well, you can enter for a long trade here. It gives you a profit. Well, let's see. Well, you can enter the long position here. It hit your stop loss. I think another trade is here. It gives you a good profit here, good profit here, good profit, and here hit the stop loss. Here stop. Maybe let's see if it gives you a profit or not. Well, 1, 2, 3 34 point risk to reward. Yeah, it give you a profit, I think. Yep. Well, here it gives you a profit. Well, as you see, we have too much profit and too much losses of any trades. For example, if you enter here for your trade, it gives you a good risk to reward ratio, but you can not take any good trades. I'm not suggest this indicator. Mostly it fail all of your trade, so I'm not suggesting this indicator for you at all. But the best indicator that I'm using now is ATR. Is a very good indicator that helps you to manage your risk and entry point and stop loss. It's a very useful, and hope you can use it for your trades. And that's it. Before you enter for any trade, please pay attention for the risk management and take your responsibility for the trades. And that's it. Hope you enjoy it. See you